smart contract has come to mean a piece of code that you put on a blockchain that is what they call self-executing and self-enforcing. So what do we mean by that? Effectively, it's a Boolean type of code. And what I mean by Boolean is just using very simple computer programming language. If that happens, then this happens. So very similar to what you see if you ever use a search box and you try and do an advanced search like that. But the power of the blockchain is you can run these pieces of smart code, which is actually the technically more accurate term, to make things automatically happen on your blockchain. And a lot of people refer to that as a smart contract. Really important to understand as a lawyer that smart code very rarely makes an actual contract. Obviously, the contract is going to depend upon the country that you're located in. So I come from the United Kingdom. We have a fairly simple structure for contractual. You need offer, acceptance, you need consideration passing between the parties, you need certainty of terms in order for there to be a valid, binding and enforceable contract. Those legal requirements don't change just because you're using a blockchain. So the mere fact you have a piece of code running on your blockchain doesn't mean you have a legal, valid, enforceable, binding contract. You need to be able to evidence offer, acceptance, consideration, certainty of terms. So what you will tend to see is what goes around that piece of smart code is a whole structure, a framework, terms of use of the blockchain, clear evidence of the agreement between the parties being made. So it's important to understand as a lawyer, as a general counsel, that your piece of smart code is just one part of conducting a contract on the blockchain.